In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in TradingView paper trading. So all you have to do is first click on the trade button top right, click on paper trading and click on connect. Now you're connected to paper trading, and to either buy or sell, you want to go and click on sell or buy buttons up top left over here, or you could just click on the trade button and it's going to open the trade panel over here on the right. Then select if you want to sell or buy, select if you want a market, limit or stop order, and then just of course pick how much you want to purchase, or of course at what price you want to purchase if you're using limit or stop orders. And then from here you can go ahead and do stop losses and take profits as well, and then just click on either the buy button here at the bottom, or of course the sell button, and that way you can buy and sell in TradingView paper trading. If you want to see your trades, you can basically pull this up down here, and you can see, there we go, you'll have essentially your positions, your orders and stuff like that down here. Okay, now over here of course you can also do that on your chart. So if you go to right click anywhere on your chart, you can also buy or sell on the chart directly. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.